So today we're standing here at the 4 Mile Eco Preserve Park, and it consists of 365 glorious acres. Come on, let's take a walk. The 4 Mile Cove Eco Preserve is the second largest preserve green space in Cape Coral, and it's located just north of Veterans Parkway. 4 Mile Cove Eco Park is a brackish water wetland area that features a walking trail, visitor center, memorial area, and seasonal kayak rentals. The walking trails and access to Veterans Memorial area are available year-round. They open at 8 a.m. There's also an 800 portage along the kayak trail. Therefore, it is not for beginners, and children under 6 are not permitted. Just a friendly reminder that there are no dogs permitted on the trails or anywhere on the park. Also, jogging, skateboarding, biking, or skating of any kind is not permitted. However, visitors of any age can walk the boardwalk. So thank you for joining me today here at the Eco Preserve. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Tania Loves SWFL. Stay safe, stay kind, and stay connected.